me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about how you can use the storage space underneath your staircase to create a fabulous wine room. So what they've done here is they have used mirrors to make the space appear bigger than it actually is, because it is just a small closet underneath the stairs. But they've created it in a way where they've added some wine racks. So this way, these are freestanding wine racks that you buy and install, and then you can display all your different wines in here, but the mirrors make the space look bigger, so they are actually using the space in a way that they can use to entertain. And there's a fancy glass door on the outside. It looks very pretty when you walk by. The reflection from the glass and the mirrors looks really, really pretty as you're walking through kind of into the kitchen. So I just wanted to share that idea, and I hope everyone is living just fancier.